Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, I am starting today block 19, making predictions. Okay children, lesson number 1 is previewing. Keywords of the lesson are title, topic, sentence, magic, worried, guess. Yes children, today we will we will look at the story and guess what the story is about. Children, now all of you all open your readers to the story Ken and the Magic Powder. Ken and the Magic Powder. Children, this is the title of the story. Okay, so topic sentence, what will be the topic sentence? Children, let us see. Let us predict what this story is about. Children, if you see, kin, a name of a person is there, and the magic powder. So story is about a person and some magic powder. With the help of the title, we came to know that what we predicted, that it is something about magic powder. Let us see our prediction is correct or not. Yes children, now if you see the pictures given here children, yes, you can see with the help of picture we can predict that a man is there, this woman is giving some coins to him. Okay, and this if you see this picture, this man is doing some magic over here. Like that, with the help of pictures also we can predict the story. Okay children, let us see what is this story about. A long time ago, there lived a young man called Ken. Ken spent all his time trying to turn mud into gold with magic. His wife Lily was worried. She wanted Ken to work, but Ken would just say, "Don't worry, Lily. I will soon turn all this mud into gold. We will be very rich." Yes, children, this is a folk tale, children. How we know this is a folk tale? Because here, first line, it has given long time ago. This story is taken place long time ago. So we can know that it is a folk tale. Okay, so story is about whom? Story is about a young man. His name is Ken. And what he wanted to do, children? He wanted to turn the mud into gold. But his wife, what is the name of his wife? Lily, was very much worried. Okay, let us see. One day there was no food left in the house. There was no money to buy anything. Lily told her father Tant about her problem. Yes, children. So what happened? There was no food left. There was no money to buy the things. Okay, so Lily told her father Tant about the problem. Let us see what happened. Children, pictures helps us to predict the story. Okay. The next day, Tant found Kin. Lily says, "You are trying to turn mud into gold. I too did this when I was young." Kin was happy to hear this. "You have done everything I did," said Tant. "Soon all the mud around you will turn to gold. You just need one more thing, but you will have to work hard to get it." "I can do it, dear father. What is this thing? And where can I find it?" asked Ken. He was excited. Now, when Lily told her father about Ken, so he came to Ken and he was telling, "Yes, when I was young like you, I also tried to turn the mud into gold." "Yes, you are doing the correct thing." Means Ken felt very happy. And he said, father said that you are missing one thing. You have to work hard for one thing. He said, "Okay, what is that thing? Tell me, I will do it." Okay, children, come to the next paragraph. "The secret thing is the silver powder that grows on banana leaves," the old man whispered. "You must plant the banana trees yourself and say the magic words. Then the powder on the leaves will become magical. You have to collect 1 kilo of this magic powder." Ken was worried. 1 kilo? For that, I need hundreds of banana plants. But I will do it. Than smiled. He thought kin the magic words. Now, father told him the secret that he has to collect 1 kilo of silver powder. Okay, and then Kin said, 1 kilo of magic powder. I have to plant so many banana plants, he said. Okay, so let us see what happened the next day. Ken planted many banana trees. He said the magic words just as Than had told him. He watered the plants every day. The plants grew tall and he collected all the silver powder from the leaves. He kept the magic powder in a box. Then he planted more banana trees. Okay, children. So what happened? As father told, he has collected the silver powder. He has to collect the silver powder. He planted so many banana trees. What we have to do when we have planted? We have to water them. We have to take care of them. After many years of this, Ken finally had 1 kilo of the silver powder in his box. He rushed to Than's house at last. I have 1 kilo of silver powder, he said. That's wonderful, said Than. Now let me show you how to turn mud into gold. But we will need Lily's help. Now what happened, children? After many years, finally, Ken collected 1 kilo of powder and then he went to his father-in-law's house. Okay, and he said, I am having 1 kilo of powder. Now tell me what to do. So he said, that's wonderful, but we need Lily's help. Why he is telling we need Lily's help? Let us see, children. Okay, the old man turned to his daughter. What did you do with all the bananas from the trees? While Kin collected the powder, he asked. I sold them, said Lily. Did you save any money from selling them? Asked Than. Yes, I did. Lily went back home. She came back with 2 big bags. Than opened one of them. It was full of gold coins. Than took a handful of mud and put it next to the gold. What happened then now? They came to Kin's house. Father said, what you did with the bananas, Kin has collecting the powder, and what you did with bananas? So she said, I sold them. Did you save any money or not? Lily went back home and she came with 2 big bags. What was there in the bag? Okay, gold coins. Then Than, what he did? He put handful of mud, children. Handful of mud he put next to the gold coins. See, Kin, you have changed mud into gold, said the old man. Kin smiled. He knew Than was wise. After that day, he worked hard in his banana fields. He had found the best way to turn mud into gold. Yes, children, this story was about King. Okay, children, who wanted to turn the mud into gold. Okay, but his father-in-law helped him and his wife also helped him a lot. Okay, the title of the story tells us that the story is about the character Kin and magic powder. The words and pictures tell us that Kin wants to do some magic to make gold, but the woman is worried. Okay, children, that it may not be possible. It also tells us that an old man keeps Kin in some way. Okay, so with the help of pictures and the words given, we can make the guess, children. Yes, children, now all of you all take out your workbook, page number 15. Write the date here, children. S1 previewing. Okay, children. Read the title and first sentence of the story. Kin and the magic powder. Children, here second line is not printed, so I have written with the pencil. You also write down if this line is not printed in your workbook. a folktale from Myanmar. Okay, a long time ago there lived a young man called Kin. Kin spent all his time trying to turn mud into gold with magic. Guess what the story will be about and why? Fill in the chart with your guesses. As we have learned the story, children. Yes, children, I have explained you the story, children. Let us see here one table they have given us. My guess, why I think so. Where will the story happen? So, where will the story happen? The story will happen in Myanmar because one second, children, I will tell you. How do you know? Because it has given here Myanmar. Okay, next. Who will the main character of the story be? So, what my guess? My guess what? Kin will be the main character of the story. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? I know this because the title sentence has his name. Yes, here if you see Kin and the magic powder, if you see here, so the story is main character is about Kin. Okay, children. Now, who will the other characters of the story be? So, who will be the other characters? An old man and a young lady are the other characters of the story. Why do you think so? We see pictures of them in the story. Yes, children, I have explained you the story. In that we have seen no pictures of an old man and a young lady. Wife we can say and father. Okay, children, now next see. What will the main problem in the story be? The main problem of the story could be that Ken wants to turn mud into gold, but the young girl is worried that it may not happen. How do you know? The word worried in bold and the look on the young girl's face tell us it may not be possible. Okay, children? Yes. Now, for this you have to read the story again. All should read the story again. Okay? Last one. How will the problem be solved? The problem may be solved by collecting gold by magic. Why do you think so? The word magical and collect in bold makes me think so. Yes, children, if you see the reader, children, some of the words are given in bold, children. Okay, if you see reader, children, see here. Worried is given in bold. Okay, for that purpose you have to read the story, children. Fine. Here see magical collect is given in bold. So with those words also we can know what is the story about. Okay, children, fine? Yes, children, copy the answer correctly. I'll just zoom it for you to look very clear. The story will happen in Myanmar. I know this because the title of the story says, okay, Ken will be the main character. I know this because the title sentence has his name. An old man and a young lady are the other characters. We see pictures of them in the story. The main problem in the story could be that Ken wants to turn mud into gold. The word worried in bold and the look on the girl's face tell us it may not be possible. The problem may be solved by collecting gold by magic. The word magical and collect in bold makes us think so. So all of you Write neatly in your workbook. Meet you in the next class. Classwork I will give you afterwards, children. Thank you. Take care.